Hi friends, students, parents and teachers. Welcome to learning English vocabulary. In lesson number 6, we will learn same as before words with their meanings, with their pronunciations, multi-languages. English vocabulary is very useful. I already told you for students, for O level, A level, for school going and college going students. For parents too, because parents teaches their kids. So let's have a look on the words. The first word is accusative, mean object of an action, goals of motion, maful. The next one is ache, mean continuous pain, hurt, musalsal dard. Third one is achievement, mean thing successfully done, reach, attain, कामयाब होना. Acquaint, mean make known, familiar, friendly, आगाह करना. Next is acquiesce, mean agree with someone, permit, राजी होना. Acre, mean square yard of lands, राजी. The next one is adamant, mean refusing, unshakable, rock, sange magnatis or atal. Next is adequate, mean enough, sufficient, kafi. Adhere, mean stick fast with gum. The other one is clink, chipakna. Adieu, mean farewell or goodbye, alvida कहना. Adjacent, mean laying near or adjoining, mulhik. Adjourn, mean put off, withdraw, retire, ملتوی کرنا. Adjudge, mean decide or find, फैसला. Averse, mean opposite, against, مخالف. Next is avert, mean turn away, ward off, prevent, stop, हटाना, ازالہ, کرنا. Next is aviation, mean flying or operating an aircraft, हवाबाजी. Next is avow, mean confess, declare positivity, एतराफ़ करना. Azure, mean clear blue sky or dark blue sky, नीला आसमान. I hope you are enjoying the videos and you are learning the words very easily. Thank you for learning with us. Same as before, if you like the video, please share it, like it and subscribe the channel by clicking the bell icon button. Subscription is very important because you can get new and more videos in time. That's why. So good luck, take care, goodbye.